Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to stop Roblox from crashing or just lagging really badly. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys can do is click on the options button on your controller, go to menu, and then scroll all the way down until you see graphics mode. Now from graphics mode, you can either put it all the way down, which I recommend highly, because not only will this help you fix your game, crashing, it will also make your FPS much higher, and it will also fix any lag issues you have. So this is probably one of the best methods you can do. And yeah, so now once you do that and you still have issues with your game, the second method you guys can do is, instead of connecting to a network, connect to a LAN cable instead. This will also fix any Wi-Fi issues you're having, lag issues, and it should make your PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 much faster, and that will also stop crashing. Yeah, and as of right now, these are the best two methods that you guys can do. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.